So this is 2008 Nissan Versa fob key. Are you having problem to unlock or lock your 2008 Nissan Versa? Well, the problem might be inside of this. There is a battery cell inside of it. So what we're gonna do is, see this tab, we're gonna move it over to the left. Okay, push it over, and then we're gonna pull the key. So this key, we use that manually if the fob key doesn't work. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up, okay, and then we're gonna replace the battery cell. So we're gonna use a flat tip screwdriver to crack it open. So that's where we're gonna crack it open, right there. I don't know if you can see it, there's like a gap right there. You're gonna kind of turn it sideways to crack it. So I'm gonna stick the tip in there and then kind of move it side to side. So once you crack it open, you can walk it. You see it's open, walk it down, and then you can use your hands to crack them open like an egg. All right, and so there it is, the battery cell right there. Now to take off the battery, you're just gonna tip it off, okay, using your flat tip screwdriver. Now it's out. So this battery, the battery cell, the code is CR, I think 2025. Yeah, that's right. You can get it on Amazon. I put the link down below. You can get it from there. So now let's put this back in. So you're just gonna flip it around. The letterings and everything will be facing down, all the words. Okay. Flip him. Okay. Line him up, push it down. That's all it is. And then put the cap. Okay. All you have to do is just push him. Push him all the way around. Make sure they all snap back all flat. And then you're gonna get the key. And then you're just gonna stick it in. You're just gonna stick it in there. Oh, I think I got it the wrong way. Stick it in there. Line him up. Alright, easy breezy, right? Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.